Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alexander, and in today's video I'm gonna explain to you about Facebook Ads Limited Learning, how to get out of it, some best practices, and is it that important? For those of you that don't know me, as I said, my name is Alexander and I own an e-commerce growth agency, and we specialize in helping e-commerce brands to scale to multiple 7 and 8 figures with paid advertising such as Facebook, Instagram, Google, Pinterest, TikTok, and we also do email marketing. So as I said guys, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you about Facebook's Ads Limited Learning, and the first thing we need to understand is what it actually means. The learning phase is the period where the system learns more about the ads and the audience. During the learning phase, the delivery system is exploring the best way to serve your ad, so the performance is usually unstable and you're gonna see higher cost per acquisition. The learning phase occurs every time you create a new ad or you make a significant edit on an existing one. You can check the delivery status under the delivery column in your Facebook Ads Manager, and to exit the learning phase, it's usually gonna take around 50 conversions after a significant edit. And what counts as a significant edit? So significant edits can be any change to targeting, any change to ad creative, any change to optimization events, adding new ad to your ad set, pausing your ad set for more than 7 days, changing the bid strategy, just to name a few. So how to get out of the learning phase? As I mentioned earlier, to get out of the learning phase, you're gonna need 50 events for what you're optimizing for. So if you're optimizing your ads for purchase, you're gonna need 50 purchases in 7-day period without doing any significant changes to the ads. And some best practices recommended by Facebook. Wait to edit your ad set until it's out of learning phase. Avoid unnecessary edits that cause the ad set to re-enter the learning phase. Avoid high ad volumes. Use realistic budgets. And also, the learning phase is necessary to help the delivery system best optimize ads, so you shouldn't try to avoid the learning phase completely. Testing new creatives and marketing strategies is essential for improving your performance over time. And I'm gonna link the full article in the description of this video so you can check it out after you watch the video. And my last point of this video, why exiting learning phase is not possible for every single brand. If you have very expensive products and not a lot of budget, you will never be able to exit learning phase. Because as you remember, to exit the learning phase, you're gonna need 50 conversions in 7-day period. So to give you an example, if you sell engagement rings that cost $5,000 and your weekly budget is $10,000, to get 50 conversions in 7-day period, that means you need to have cost per purchase around $200. And if you have a cost per purchase $200 and a product that costs $5,000, that's 25 ROAS. And in the current state of the marketing and e-commerce world, that's going to be very hard to achieve. So don't stress about it. I have a ton of clients that we can't get out of the learning phase and we're still achieving great results. So yeah, focus on testing, focus on optimizing your ads, and when you have enough budget and you know what works, you're gonna be able to exit the learning phase. But yeah guys, that's about it for this video. Thank you very much for your time. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thank you very much for your time, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.